morning, another beautiful writing day. So this is I want to say this is day 4. Yesterday I didn't write because I coached all day and there's no capacity for writing on coaching days. So today I'm going to write. The goal is 2,000 words. I am feeling like I'm leaning more towards the How to Be Happy personal growth and development book. Nothing has been coming up for the memoir, and so I'm just gonna go with what is inspiring me, and yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get these 2,000 words in an hour, which usually when I go TikTok live, for whatever reason, the vibe over there makes me feel like I'm co-working and I just stay focused and I write. So I'm gonna go live on TikTok for the hour to get those 2,000 words out, and then I'll be back. Most of the day is gonna be a writing day. I don't have much else that I'm planning for. I think I'm gonna put my grocery list together. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the actual grocery store today, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we're back. My clothes are probably changed because the front half of this video is from Friday and today is Monday, and I just finished work. I just finished work, and so I'm gonna do some writing. Today is like one of those days where I'm like, I do not want to do a single piece of work today, but I made it through my work. Usually I'm able to do my writing in the morning and then get to my work because I'm feeling super inspired, but that was not today in any way, shape, or form. Like it's not that I'm like tired. I'm rolling, I have a little rolling ball. It's not that I'm tired. I think I'm just uninspired maybe. Like, I think it was like a lot of, I don't know if the word would be like tedious practical things for the company that I've been doing. And so I don't have a lot of inspiration right now, which is making me super disinterested in working. But I had a really, really beautiful weekend. And one of the things that I've decided, so I'm not going to finish this manuscript before the 29th, well, March 1st, which was my goal. I'm not going to finish it, but I did get some really good words in there. A part of the reason I'm not going to finish it is because in my mind, I was like, minimum 2,000 words a day. And I definitely thought I was going to be writing on the weekends, but I am not writing on the weekends. I am not doing that. And I thought that I would, but I'm not. And I'm not going to beat myself up for it. It's fine that I'm not writing on the weekends. If something comes up, it comes up. But I've really just been like snuggling up, vegging out, really enjoying my weekends. And the weather kind of broke here in Chicago a little bit too. So we've gotten some really beautiful days, a few days in a row. So, yeah, I'm just not writing on the weekends. And it's not like an official statement. It's just, I didn't write this weekend. I didn't write last weekend. And so instead of like trying to push through it, I'm just going to honor the fact that I'm not doing that. So I'm coming into Monday off of a really good weekend, but like it's just one of those days where I don't feel like doing any work. And I think these are some of the hardest days of entrepreneurship. And these are the days that like most entrepreneurs don't talk about. But they happen just like any other job. But I because of the way that my business is structured, I still know what work I need to do anyway, even when I don't want to work. And so I did that work, I'm all done. And I want to do 2,000 words. 2,000 words a day it's a really good amount of words for me in terms of stretching me from a prose perspective, stretching me from an ideas perspective. And I find that if I can get like the first, I don't know why I said it like that, if I can get like the first 300 to 500 words out, the other 1,500 words kind of just flow. And so instead of telling myself 500 words, I tell myself 2,000 words so that way, like I reach for something that's a little bit like stretching me. So even though I'm tired, I think it's like noon. Even though I'm tired, even though I don't want to do this, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get 2,000 words either in the How to Be Happy manuscript or the memoir. I'm going to get 2,000 words. And so what I'm going to do now, before I write those 2,000 words, is I'm going to go take a walk to see if that can just like zhuzh me up a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to sit and write. So happy Monday.